Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest Polestar news. We are also going to be talking about the special purpose acquisition company, Gores Guggenheim, ticker symbol GGPI, that is doing a reverse merger to bring Polestar onto the stock market, and this will be happening very shortly. We have heard from the company that the reverse merger will be happening the second quarter of this year. We are already at the end of April, so it should be happening in the next 2 months. We do know that historically, SPACs or special purpose acquisition companies do give us about 1 month notice before that merger does happen. So it should be any time now, any day in the next few days or the next few weeks that this merger can happen, because I do suspect that this will be happening at the end of May or at the beginning of June, but we'll definitely have to keep an eye out and keep you posted. But we will be talking about this and more, and some incredible news coming out from Polestar. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with the others, with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Using my links down below to Moomoo and Weeble, you can get incredible free stock opportunities. Stay to the end of this video and I can show you in detail how you can get this. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Polestar and Gores Guggenheim, ticker symbol GGPI. Just most recently, we heard incredible news that Polestar is now partnering up and making a partnership with ChargePoint and Electrify America to be their main charging system. So this is incredible news for both of these companies, for both ChargePoint and for Electrify America in combination with Polestar. So this is incredible news because now we do have the ability to charge the Polestar, and these charging systems are located around the world. So this is a great smart move for the company moving forward. In addition to this, since we are talking about partnerships, we also have some incredible news from Polestar that they are partnering up with Hertz. And right now they do have that big reservation from Hertz to add 65,000 electric vehicles into its EV fleet in the next few years by the year 2026. This is a potential of revenue closer to $3 billion, which is an incredible increase in this company's revenue looking forward into the future. We do know now that Polestar is an incredible company. It is the only international electric vehicle pure play besides Tesla that is selling its electric vehicles around the globe. Now, Polestar 2 is one of the best vehicles that is selling for the masses because of its great price point. The Polestar 2 is available in 2 different variants. The Polestar 2 is available as a single motor electric version that is selling in the United States at $42,500 roughly, and it does qualify for the $7,500 tax credit rebate that you can take full advantage of, bringing this car price below $40,000, which is an incredible deal to get into an electric vehicle at this price point with its range of over 270 miles, 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds for that single electric motor version. But this is an incredible opportunity to get into an electric vehicle at this price point. So Polestar is being very strategic on where it goes into its market, and it is doing quite well. It is one of the best-selling electric vehicles in the European Union, and it will continue to do this as it has also been doing quite well in China as well. It does have that very big backing of being co-owned by Volvo company and a Chinese-based company called Geely Holdings. So with these 2 big companies standing behind Polestar, we do suspect that this company will have great futures ahead of itself. You do know also that you are getting a very nice vehicle that is safe and very well made, and also that has very good safety features and a very good reliability. The Polestar 2 is an incredible vehicle, will continue to be an incredible vehicle, and for this year alone, for year 2022, it does project that they will be selling 65,000 electric vehicles this year alone. It will also be introducing more vehicles, the Polestar 3, which will be made in South Carolina in the United States, that will appeal to the masses, as this will be its first SUV, electric SUV vehicle, to be comparing with the Porsche Cayenne. This is a great company to get into the stock right now. Polestar and Gores Guggenheim has announced that this valuation of the company will be roughly $20 billion. And if you do compare the stock price right now, this is being very cheap, especially when you do compare it to a brand new electric vehicle company such as Lucid Motors and Rivian that are double the valuation of this company. But Polestar has had a very big advantage because it has that backing from Volvo, and it is currently already producing vehicles across the globe, across the world. Polestar 2 also does have a very nice, credible partnership with Alphabet Google, in that it is using its operating system in the infotainment system in the vehicle, and it has one of the best infotainment systems on the market right now. The Google system operating system is working quite well, and there have been a lot of great reviews on the Polestar's vehicle and the infotainment system. In addition to this, Polestar continues to strive to do best and will continue to do this, making that Model 3 vehicle available in the United States in the next year for the year model 2023. This will have a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, 0 to 60 under 5 seconds, and this will be a very nice vehicle moving forward. Polestar does also have plans to introduce 2 additional vehicles the following years, in the year 2024 and the year 2025, that do have incredible opportunities ahead of itself. Now, getting invested into this company early on is the best strategy, in my opinion, because I do think that the big catalyst moving forward is going to be that merger date announcement. Now, Polestar does have an incredible opportunity of an upside potential. Right now, it is currently trading at a quite stable point when you do compare it to the other electric vehicle stocks. And by this, let's take a look at the stock prices. Gores Guggenheim, the ticker symbol GGPI, is currently trading at $11.13. It is down about 1.7% today, but in the past 5 days, we are down about 6%. We have seen a downward trend on this, but if we do compare it to the other electric vehicle stocks, this is not much of a downward trend at all. If you look in the past 1 month, we are pretty much even at 2.4%. We have tested a high of $12.82 on April 4th at the beginning, but again, we have had a downward trend. I do suspect that the next big catalyst will be that merger announcement with GGPI and Polestar, bringing Polestar to the stock market. Now, in the past 6 months, we have seen the stock go up as high as up past $15 on November 16th. But since then, we've had a huge pullback. But right now, if you can get this stock under $11, you're getting an incredible deal. But this stock does have very nice potentials to go up, possibly up to past $15, which you can see in the past 6 months. Now, as a special purpose acquisition company, the stock price is normally around $10. So you're not having a huge downward pressure, huge downward risk on this stock, especially in the current environmental trading market when all the tech stocks are down. Right now, you are getting Polestar at its lower point, and you do not have that big risk, that huge downward pressure as it is with other stocks. But you do have a very nice upside potential once that merger gets announced and once that merger does go through, which we do know should be happening in the next 2 to 3 months, because it will be happening this quarter, the Q2 of 2022. Now, that being said, let's look at what Wallet Investor is projecting for this stock price. So GGPI, according to Wallet Investor, that does use technical analysis and past trading history and artificial intelligence, does show us that in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, this stock should be worth about $14. In the next 5 years, roughly $24. I do think that in the next 12 months will be much sooner than this. I do think that once that merger announces, I do think that we will get past this $14 point at that point in time, which will be in the next 2 to 3 months. But again, please do your own due diligence, do your own research, as this is still a special purpose acquisition company, and it will be converting those shares into Polestar after the merger happens. Once this happens, you will be owning PSNY, which will be the new ticker of Polestar. Again, I do think that this is an incredible company. It has incredible futures ahead of itself. It is selling around the world. It has great publicity. It is one of the most popular electric vehicles right now in the European Union, in the European market, and also in Asia. It is starting to ramp up productions in the United States. I have been seeing more Polestars on the streets, and I do think that this will be a continued trend, especially with that huge Hertz deal that they did get 65,000 vehicles being pre-ordered, which will account for roughly about $3 billion in revenue for this company. Now, this company does have enormous upward potential, and I do think it will be a very nice game changer in the EV space because it does offer right now vehicles for the masses. And in the future, Polestar is gearing more towards being more sporty and also that SUV component. They are trying to target Porsche in an electric vehicle market. So again, very nice things to see from this luxury Volvo-based Swedish company. I do think that they have great futures ahead of itself, but let me know what you think down below about this company, as I do think it is one of the best electric vehicle sleeping giants stocks that you can buy at this time. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you did learn something new. Let me know down below in the comments. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. And also, please share this channel with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I would love to have them part of this channel. Also, please take advantage of those incredible opportunities using my links down below. I am working with my Moo rep right now to get you a free Netflix stock. Netflix has taken a huge hit, but they are giving out free stocks I can get you right now if you put in the minimum amount requirement into that Moo account using that link. Also, they can give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. That is an incredible opportunity to get up to $17,500 in free stocks, plus that Netflix stock. Also, using my link down below to Webull, if you put in at least 1 penny into a brand new account, will grant you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000. That is an incredible opportunity to get up to $15,000 in free stocks. Take advantage of these huge opportunities, but most importantly, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great week, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.